Hello. Today we're playing with the lathe. This is our lathe. Un tour en français. So, breaker's on. It's already adjusted. We're going at 200 rotations per minute. Good idea, Turco. I like mangling hands. So we've securitized this whole area. We're going to jog the machine a little bit to see if it works. Will? Alright, we'll put it into auto now. Go. And now we're going to make this chariot advance. Alright, let's get a close up here. Get a close up on this fast moving action. Look at how fast that moves. That's a blur. Lightning speed. But you can see that it is actually advancing. This wheel is turning by itself, and this chariot is advancing. If we get a backup shot here of this whole thing. So that middle part will continue to advance right up until the spinning disc, if we don't stop it. But I will, because I don't feel like wrecking a $30,000 machine. And that's the lathe. What do you think, Anthony? Good stuff?
Yeah.
Awesome. Good commentary.